Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 2-slice stainless steel toaster. It has got an LCD touchscreen. It has the 6 bread selections. Alright, so today we've got our toaster. So this one here is offered in several different colors. You've got the dark metallic, dark cherry, you got dark chocolate, and you also got a silver. So this one is a super nice toaster. It is a 2-slice stainless steel. It does have an LCD display, which is a touch button, so you can see the bread type, shade settings, and it shows you the time that's left. All you need to do is touch the 6 buttons to select the mode you want. The memory function will keep the bread type and shade setting from the last toasting. So inside this box you do get a toaster manual. So this just tells you the contents, the important safety instructions, toasting tips, care and cleaning, disposal. So then this right here just tells you the specifications. So anything you need to refer to, I would refer to this user manual. So this can cook your bread up to 50% faster thanks to the 1350 watt toaster. This is 50% faster than any leading other toasters. So this has 7 bread shade settings, which provides bread from light yellow to deep dark. The specially developed medium settings is a 4-gear that can be delicious bread, so you get your perfect bread setting. Not only does this cancel, you can defrost, reheat functions. It also has specialty added bread types and more time functions. There are 6 types of bread to choose from, including bagel, you got white, egg McMuffin, waffle, gluten-free, grain. So you have many options to choose from. So we're just going to remove this cardboard, and this one does have a 1.5 extra wide slots. It is stainless steel housing. It has a double-sided every baking, built-in cross heating tube. It uses 1350 watt, 50% faster than any other sources. You have a large colorful LCD display, so you've got many different gears. You can do bagels, white bread, waffles, English muffins, gluten-free, you got grains. So you have many different bread types you can choose from. So this is what it looks like on the bottom. It does have little rubber feet so it doesn't move around. This is what it looks on the back side. You do have the removable tray right here. So this is super easy just to pop out and clean. This does have 4 basic plus 2 upgraded features. It has the bread type, which you can choose from 6 different various breads, 7 brown settings. You've got a cancel, so you can stop the cooking at any time. It also has the function of defrost, so you can soften frozen bread. So if you freeze your bread like I do, you can actually defrost it. You can extend more time up to 45 seconds, and also you can reheat cold bread up to 40 seconds. So you can see there's bagel, white, waffle, English muffin, gluten-free, and you've got grain. So the buttons here at the top where it says the timer and the bread, those are not touchscreen. Only here at the bottom where it says bread type, cancel, reheat, frozen, defrost. So these ones are the only ones that are touchscreen, not the ones at the top. And the timer up here, it basically just tells you about what settings it is, but once you start it, it will count down, so it does have a timer on that. So the great thing about this is that it does offer so many different bread types. You can change, increase the time, you can make it lighter, you can make it darker, you can change your different bread. I like the fact that it uses 1350 watts, so it's a lot faster. It cooks your bread in super fast time, so you don't have to sit there and wait. I like the fact that it has a large colorful LCD display. It is bright and colorful. It clearly shows the selected bread mode and the remaining time. So you can see that it's super bright and nice, and it tells you everything right here. So once you pick your bread type, so I'm just going to go ahead and pick not too white but not too dark. Once you pick your bread setting and how long you want to be, you just push this down, put your toast in there and push that down. It should be ready. So we're just going to go and put our bread in there. You can see that we have our bread in there. So now at the front display, it will count down till it's finished. So right now we have 52 seconds. I'm going to come back as soon as it gets closer to the times. Alright, so we got a little bit closer till it's finished. So it's going to pop up right now, and then it's going to show you a really nice, beautiful set of toast. It doesn't burn it, and it doesn't leave it undercooked. I'd say this is a very nice toaster with a great display, beautiful display. If you're looking for a nice touchscreen toaster, I would highly recommend checking this one out.